Birth control methods. A number of techniques have been developed to prevent and control pregnancy. They are mainly of three types: mechanical barrier methods, chemical methods, surgical methods. Mechanical barrier methods. In mechanical barrier methods, physical devices such as condoms, diaphragm, and cervical caps are used, which prevents the entry of sperm in the female genital tract during copulation, thus acting as a barrier between them. The use of intrauterine contraceptive devices, IUCDs, prevents implantation of the uterus. This device is a copper T placed safely inside the uterus by a doctor. Chemical methods. In chemical methods, specific drugs are used by females, which are of two types: oral pills, vaginal pills. Oral pills are also called oral contraceptives, which act by changing the hormonal balance of the body so that eggs are not released and fertilization cannot occur. Surgical methods. In surgical methods, a small portion of vas deferens in male removed or tied. It is known as vasectomy, so that vas deferens is blocked, then sperm transfer will be prevented. In female, the fallopian tube is surgically removed or tied. It is known as tubectomy, so that the egg will not be able to reach the uterus, thus fertilization will not take place. Sex ratio. Sex ratio is ratio of number of female to the number of males in a population. The female-male ratio must be maintained for a healthy society. The female child sex ratio is declining at an alarming rate in some sections of our society because of reckless female feticide. Therefore, parental sex determination has been prohibited by law. Population size. Organisms increase their population with the help of reproduction. The rate of birth and death in a given population determines its size. The increase in population occurs when the birth rate is higher than the death rate. Did you know? Exponential phase of human population growth started in 1750 AD. Human population of world is expected to reach 9.5 billion within the next 30 years. India was first country to adopt family planning as the government-sponsored program in 1951. NACO, National AIDS Control Organization. India started a National AIDS Control Program in 1987. Every year, 1st December is celebrated as World AIDS Day.